Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a spread for Paradise by siyeon. For those of you who don't know, siyeon is from the group Dreamcatcher and they are one of my favorite groups, and siyeon is actually one of my biases. So I was very excited for this solo song from her. She has amazing vocals and I definitely was not let down. I loved the lyrics, I loved the song, I loved the 4 videos that they posted. I think there's only 4. Let me know if I missed one, but they posted the original video, then they posted a light version and a dark version, and then a piano version. So this spread, I mean, it's about the song, but the aesthetic of the spread is centered around the light version and the dark version. What I was going for was to do sort of like a mirrored spread. So on one side it's the light version, on the other side it's the dark version, and they sort of mirror each other. I don't know, I just thought that might be a cool concept, and honestly I think that it turns out pretty good. So let me know what you think of that idea. I don't really think I've done something like that before with like a comparison, although I'm not sure there's a lot of videos or things other than maybe like concept photos that have like different versions. So let me know what you think of that. Yep, I'm ripping paper again. You know what it is. I feel like I need like a ripping paper song. Like if any of you watch Mariah Elizabeth, she's kind of like a DIY craft channel. She adds sprinkles to things a lot, and she has like a sprinkle song for when she does that. I feel like my thing is ripping paper. I need like a ripping paper song or something. So for the lettering, I really wanted it to go across both spreads, and I wanted it to reflect what side of the spread it was on if that makes sense. So the first half of the lettering is on the light side of the spread, and the second half of the lettering is on the dark side of the spread. And even though it's one cohesive word, the colors will reflect which side that letter lies on. You'll see what I mean. So I saw somebody do this on Instagram recently where they made their actual like lettering or calligraphy white, and then they drop shadowed it with a color. And I thought that was so cool, but like it would really have to fit the spread, and I haven't like had a spread yet that I felt like that would fit with. And this one was just perfect for the first half of the word because it's supposed to be like white and a light color. And so I decided to go with that for the first half instead of like coloring it in blue and having like a white backdrop or drop shadow or something. So yeah, I really like how this lettering turned out. I love it a lot. I think it's probably my favorite part of this entire spread. Also, I haven't just randomly added polka dots to anything lately, I don't think, to fill in space, so it was time. It's been a while. So here's a look at the final spread. I really like the spread a lot. It really turned out how I was picturing it in my head, and yeah, I really love it. Like I said, I really love the lettering. I think it's my favorite, and I'm just really proud of siyeon. So if you haven't already listened to Paradise by siyeon, please go check it out, and check out Dreamcatcher's Comeback, coming soon on February 18th. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.